verified, or is it validated? Which one of these cookie cutter responses did you get from the collections company or the consumer reporting agencies, aka credit bureaus? Debt validation takes a specific thing. There's a specific sequence of information that is required by law. Now, if you didn't get the proper notices, guess what? Proper validation or verification wasn't done. So I am doing a masterclass, right? I am doing a masterclass on debt validation according to the new FDCPA rules. New rules are in effect for debt collection. The validation process has changed. I will be breaking all of this down May 20th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You need to be in this masterclass. If you got collections, whether medical, regular collections, you need to be in this class. This debt validation class will teach you everything you need to know about the proper format for debt validation. Click the link below or hit me up on Instagram at The Credit Hero. Let's get you getting your collections deleted and melting them like butter. Let's go.